Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Quick Guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your reason on WeChat. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the app downloaded on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, launch the app. Then, on the bottom of your screen, you can see there are 4 options: Chats, Contacts, Discover and Me. Tap on Me and select your profile picture. Then, you can see this profile photo, name, title, WeChat ID, my QR code and more. Tap on More, then select Reason and you can select your preferred reason and change it into it. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your reason on WeChat using your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.